I didn't know what depression is. And it took me years to get the help that I needed. But life is a teacher, and we are all students of the mind, as Dr. Jack Leedy, the psychiatrist, used to say. We are all students of the mind. And the mind can be a trickster. The good news, of course, is that there are treatments for depression, and they do work. The first treatment might not work, the second treatment might not work, but don't give up. Don't stop trying to find the right method, the right therapy that will work, or the right medicine or treatment that will work for you. Instead, I will suggest, and this is why I wanted to do this workshop very much, that people become knowledgeable about what depression is. And the most important, it's good to have a great therapist. If you're very lucky, you find someone that you relate to. But the most important thing is understanding that the pain that you will feel if you are depressed is temporary, okay? And you don't want to, as I say, depression is a temporary problem, but suicide is a final solution. There's no coming back from that. Your own will to live, your own understanding that it is temporary so you can get through it, and that you need to listen to what your body or mind is saying, which if you're in pain, if you broke your leg, you would certainly seek medical help. This has to do with the brain, and it starts in the brain, and it gives you pervasive symptoms where a person will feel doubt, inability to make decisions, low self-worth, guilt, not even understanding why you might feel guilty. You might feel like hurting yourself. These are symptoms of depression. It is a disease. It is a disorder. Yes, suicide it's called a permanent solution to a temporary problem. I know the pain doesn't feel temporary. It feels endless when you're actually in the pain. But that is the reason that people take their lives, because they just can't bear being in pain. Today, we're going to look at some of the universal emotions that play a role in depression. And I'm hoping that we can create a sense of community today with the 3 C's: community, creativity, and courage.